what?
Oh shit, here we go again.
Baby, come give me something.
What is that?
Baby, come give me something. Cause I can't stop.
How did he get his hair like that, bro?
I don't know. That boy ugly as heck.
Don't talk about me. How do you get his hair like that?
Oh,
How do you get your hair like that?
what boy doing?
We're just making a vlog. How to do.
Yeah.
Y'all boys want to learn how to get your hair like that or something?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Like that, bro?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Just gotta tell y'all boys something right quick. I said, yeah. Well, I don't think y'all heard me, son. Did y'all hear me, guys? Did y'all hear me, son? I said, yeah. What it do, YouTube, son? It's your boy, wavepapicunni. I am back with another video or something today, bro. I got a little continued part to the other video, you know what I'm saying? I shot this video before, you know what I'm saying? But hey, that was back when I didn't know what I was doing with the camera, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even have the camera, so I just had my phone. I was recording my phone, but hey, I'm gonna show y'all how to get down, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all what I do in the shower, you know what I'm saying? To get my hair like this, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you the whole routine, bro. Before I ain't show you the routine, I just showed y'all what I use and stuff like that. But hey, I'm finna show y'all the routine, what I do to get my hair like this, what I put it, you know what I'm saying? What I do when I wake up and stuff like that. So y'all could be looking right like this, and I could tell y'all boys using the method, you know what I'm saying? Y'all was using the method because I see a lot of y'all rocking the buns now. But hey, we not finna speak on that, bruh. Just know who started that trending topic, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all boys rocking the bun because of me, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. 20 likes, bro, for more videos, you know what I'm saying? We finna go crazy, bro. I got a lot to speak to y'all about, you know what I'm saying? But hey, without further ado, man, let's get into the video. You Sigs.
Really, nigga?
Alright, man, so this is what I use, you know what I'm saying? I get a little shea moisture, you know what I'm saying? A little conditioner, John, you know what I'm saying? I put this on my hair, then I'll wash it off right quick, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too serious, nothing too major. Next up, we got the little leave-in conditioner. You leave it in, you know what I'm saying? That's what it says. Leave it in, bruh. It's gonna have your hair looking curly and juicy, you know what I'm saying? Curly and straight, you know what I'm saying? Just the way I like it, look curly and bouncy, you know what I'm saying? Next up, we got the little, what's next up? We got the little, what's this called?
Really, nigga?
Rubber band, headband, whatever you want to call it, bro. I forgot what it was called, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Just put this in my hair after the shower, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna have your hair looking pretty long, you know what I'm saying? Curly and, you know what I'm saying? Just the way I like it, you know what I'm saying? Alright, man, so for this part, bro, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, bro, I'm just rinsing my hair out, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling, bro. Running the water through my nice, you know what I'm saying? My nice hair, you dig what I'm saying, bro? Just running the water through, you know what I'm saying? Just letting it soak down in there, bro, you know what I'm saying? Getting the leftover leave-in conditioner out of there from the day before and stuff like that, bro. Just turning a brand new rock, you know what I'm saying? Whatever that means. What am I even talking about? But now, just a little shea, moisture, conditioner, bro. Squirt some in my hand right quick, bro. I'm finna go crazy, you know what I'm saying? Put this in, some in my eye, what's going on? But something was in my eye. The water, you know what I'm saying? The water was in my eye, guys. That drink burnt a little bit, but hey, got it in my hand, as you can see. It's still on my eye or something like that. But hey, rub it into my hand, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm about to let it go through my hair, you know what I'm saying? I just like raking it through my hair like that, you know what I'm saying? I do this at first, then I rake it through, as you can see, in a couple seconds. As you can see right now, I'm raking it through my hair, you know what I'm saying, bro? That's how they be doing the hair tutorials, bro. The little talk over and stuff like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Make these joints lit for y'all young boys, but hey, I'm raking it through, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you get the sides, the back, both sides, you know what I'm saying? The front, all that, bro. You want it to go all the way through, you know what I'm saying, bro? You know what I'm saying? Have your curls looking nice like mine, you know what I'm saying, bro? The nice way, the good way, you know what I'm saying? When I'm done raking it through, as you can see, I'm gonna wash it off, and I rinse. I wash it off and I rake, you know what I'm saying? I wash it off by raking it out too, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, right? You know what I'm saying? Just raking it out, you know what I'm saying, bro? Why am I making that face, bro? Look at his nose, look at his nose, look at this dude. Why am I staring at y'all, buddy? Bro, wanna fight or something, bad? Raking that joint out still, you see what I'm saying, bro? Just still raking it out, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting ready to put the leave-in conditioner in next, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, get the leave-in conditioner. Why it looks so mad real quick, bro? What you mad for? Got the leave-in conditioner in my hand, you know what I'm saying? What I'm gonna get is like a 3. Oh, whoa, you know what I'm saying? Hit that joint real quick, you know what I'm saying? Finna get like 3-finger scoop, you know what I'm saying? 3-finger scoop, nothing too serious, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just a 3-finger scoop and I'm gonna leave that bad boy in there. Oh, lost it, caught it, you know what I'm saying? You don't lose those, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I got it in my hand, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna rake it through my hair just like I raked the conditioner in, bruh. That's all there is to it, you know what I'm saying? I like to start off with the little shaker, you know what I'm saying? Back and forth, the little shaker. As you can see, the hair going crazy, you know what I'm saying? The curls. I'm finna dye it brown, the whole thing brown next, you know what I'm saying? That gonna be fire. And last but not least, put the thing in the bun, you know what I'm saying? Just to give it more length to it. You know what I'm saying? Let it dry. And the way you sleep, bro, the way I sleep, I don't want it to have bad head, you know what I'm saying? So hey, let's wait till the next morning, you dig? Alright, man, so it's the next morning, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, as a little text I say, you know what I'm saying? I got the hair still in the bun, you know what I'm saying? I already did my routine, you know what I'm saying? Brush my teeth, wash the face, all that. You should already know that, you know what I'm saying? Wake up and do that, you know what I'm saying? The next step, bro, what I do is I take my hair out the bun, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This has been all night, you know what I'm saying? Take it off the bun, give it a little shimmy in, you know what I'm saying? A little shimmy shake, bro. And just rake through your hair again, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just rake. I'm saying, just keep raking, you know what I'm saying? That's all there is to it, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't put no product in my hair after I'm done. You know what I'm saying? When I wake up, I don't put no product, you know what I'm saying? Because the leave-in conditioner is already in, you know what I'm saying? All I do is rake my hair, you know what I'm saying? Rake, you know what I'm saying? Just keep on raking that bad boy, bro, and you should be alright. You should be alright. That's basically all there is to it, bro. If you want to have your hair look like mine, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if they curls, little dreads or something like that. I don't know what you want to call it, whatever you want to say. You know what I'm saying? Free forms, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Just how to get your hair like mine, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't say curly hair routine, but this is just my hair routine, you know what I'm saying? How to get your hair like me, you know what I'm saying, bro? But hey, so there is to it. Keep raking, you know what I'm saying? Get all the sides, all that. I get it to like where I think it's good at, you know what I'm saying? And then I just stop. And I just stop doing it, you know what I'm saying? And I just go with the day. Go through with the day, you know what I'm saying? But hey, just gonna do it for the video, man. Let's get this video to 20 likes, bro. If you wanna see some more, bro. If you made it this far to the video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all the subscribers, you know what I'm saying? Showing support, watching my videos, you know what I'm saying? Whenever I upload and stuff like that, bro. I appreciate all the love, all the likes and all that, man. Appreciate every single one of y'all, bro. Thank you for watching this video, man. Taking the time of your day to watch this. Click on this video, man. But, hey, that's all there is to this video, man. I'll catch y'all when I see y'all, bro. 20 likes, bro. We got some more videos for y'all boys, and I'm gone, man. Peace.